Hey guys, welcome to the A&OH show where you are going to be with Olivia and I walking through some amazing things today because we're talking about analytics, which is so important because if you don't understand the back end of your YouTube channel, you're really missing out on multiple ways to monetize, but also make sure that you're getting the most traction so you can reach the clients that you desire. So we're going to go ahead and get started. If you've never been to our channel before, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe, especially if you want to level up in your business. This is an entrepreneur lifestyle show where we really do truly inspire and equip you on your business journey. We're super transparent here, so we're going to go ahead and pull the curtain back and go ahead and walk you through all the things to optimize your channel fully and look at your analytics. All right, well, if you're ready, Olivia and I are excited to walk you through this. Let's go ahead and go. You're here with us all the time. You are the Hype Squad. We are so thankful that you're here. We want to tell you right now, go ahead and check it in. Check in where you're tuning in from because we get so excited to know that you are all around the world and we get to hang out with you every single week, Wednesday night and Sunday afternoon. So thank you for always being here. But go ahead and comment also what you look forward to learning more about when it comes to your business journey. We will make a special video for you right here on our channel and we cannot wait to help you level up. All right, well, let's go ahead and dig right in. Let's get started, Olivia.
Okay, let's get right into it. First, I would like to let you know how to navigate to your analytics. You just want to go to your YouTube studio, and from there, you'll have access to your analytics. Overview section part of your channel is really going to show you your real time. So this is your real time subscriber count. So if you are gaining a lot of subscribers, you can kind of see those change right here in real time. It's going to show you your last 48 hours, what's been happening on your channel, your top videos in the last 48 hours. And then this is your latest video, and it's going to break down your views, impressions, and average duration of your latest videos. And then it's going to show you your top videos in this period. So those are your top 10 videos in this period. And then it breaks down your views overall, watch time hours, and subscribers in the last 28 days. So you can change that right here to change it what you want it to be. So if you want to look at a particular month, you can say, okay, this is in November. It's only the 7th, so let's look at October. So this can kind of show you basically, okay, this is what happened on my channel in October. Or you can look at your lifetime. So that allows you to just break it down by the time period that you would like. So that's what you're going to find on the Overview tab. On the Reach tab, you're going to be able to find your traffic source types. So how viewers find your content. So this is going to allow you to know like what's really working, how are they finding your content, so you can tweak anything that you need to tweak from there. It also lets you know your traffic source from external. So this is outside of this is inside of YouTube traffic sources. This is your external traffic sources. So from like Facebook, Kartra, because I have probably a video in there for one of my courses. And so far, actually, I have a link in there to my YouTube channel, I think, from this or something like that, maybe. But nevertheless, it'll show you like where people are coming from on the outside. Gmail, Bing.com, Google search. And then it also show you your suggested videos. Okay, and then it's also going to give you your impressions and how many times your video thumbnails were shown to viewers on YouTube is what an impression is. So how frequently those thumbnails resulted in a view is your click-through rate. and how those views ultimately led to your watch time. So this is your watch time. This is the views from expressions, and this is how many impressions you got. So this basically says 48,000 people saw my content, and I have a 3.3 click-through rate. So this is how many times it's a three. It's 3.3% how many times people saw my actual video, and then they clicked through and watched the video. 1.6K click through and watch the videos, and they watch the videos for an average of 6 minutes, almost 7 minutes, and watch time from impressions make up about 186 of my watch time hours. An average click-through rate across the board is about 2%, and that's across all platforms and different things. And that's like ads in general. An average click-through rate is 2%, but for YouTube, the average click-through rate is right around 4.5 to 5. So as you guys can see, my channel is like right under there, which just lets me know that I probably need to go through and tweak my thumbnails a little bit, because this is really what is going to help improve your click-through rate and get your impressions to views, that conversion up a little bit more. So it's really good to look at your impressions to kind of see, okay, this many people are seeing my content. This many people are watching it after they see my thumbnails, and then knowing what your average click-through rate is. And mine isn't bad at all. So let's continue. And then you have the traffic source from playlists. This is the traffic from the most watched playlists that include your videos. So it's very important to put your videos in playlists, because typically if someone is watching a video in your playlist, YouTube will serve the next video in the playlist. So basically they will stay on your channel a lot longer if they are watching from a playlist. So as you can see, my top playlist is Uploads from Olivia Heyward, and that's just basically all of my videos, my new uploads. But you can see they kind of break down into other portions as well. You can see your traffic source by YouTube search, so you can see what people are putting in and getting to your videos. And you can see what traffic sources for suggested videos. So this is YouTube suggesting these videos after, the viewer have watched something maybe similar. So that's how you can kind of really break down your reach. Look at your reach analytics. All right, let's move on to engagement. You'll be able to, it shows your watch time hours, your average view duration. It also shows you your top videos by end screen, your top playlists, your top end screen elements, and your top cards as well. So it just this is all places where people can really engage in your content. So it really shows you like what videos are performing well in those top categories. All right, so let's move on to the audience. Now, your audience tab gives you a summary of the sort of viewers watching your videos. So this is really going to show you the returning and your new viewers, unique viewers, subscribers, and total members. So this is really going to show you your watch time from your subscribers. So this tells you like this are 57% of the people who watch my videos are subscribed to my channel. 42% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed. It shows you the top places where people are watching your videos from. here in the geography. And whenever this screen pops up to see more, it just breaks down a lot more information, and you can compare it to, you can change the time frame, you can change how you want to see it versus a bar or a line chart, so you can really kind of break it up like that. It shows top subtitle and language, and then it tends to show your demographic as well. Let's see, which this is really not breaking it down, but typically does. As your channel gets more views and just longer, then you'll also be able to see the age and gender. And that's really all back here in your analytics. Once you become monetized, then you'll also be able to see your revenue analytics as well, like your monthly estimated revenue, revenue sources, your transaction revenue, top earning videos, and ad types. So that'll also be in your back end as well. It'll say revenue up here as well once you get to that point. So let's really, I want to show you guys this, see more. So when this pops up, really allows you to kind of break down, kind of really look at everything. So you can see what the impressions click-through rate is. So if you're wondering like what videos do really well, the thumbnails, you can look at here and see which ones have converted like higher. So if I look at this one, this Get Ready With Me video, whatever, it converted at a 6.8%, which means that's good. So what I would do is I would take a look at that thumbnail and say, okay, what was about that? Well, I'm like, oh, cute, that's why. But anyways, this is another one that converted really well at an 8.4%. This one converted really well. This one converted pretty well. That converted decent. So yeah, you can just look back here and then kind of see which ones didn't work. So like any ones that were like super low, what you could do, like this one right here, probably means this is old. This is not even shown on my channel anymore, so that's why that's very low. I think I hid that one, because that's back in the day. But like this is a short. Oh no, that's a real video. This is a video, so this is not a good thumbnail, obviously. It's not a good thumbnail, I can see that. But so like, I need to change my thumbnail on that. I don't need to change my thumbnail on this. Maybe. I can't really see. But this can kind of really help you guys really analyze what's working well. And then the impressions, like, so this video right here, this video right here really have been shown a lot, and it has a decent, if we're talking about standards, 2%, but for YouTube, really looking at about 4.5%, or 5% are really good click-through rates. Look at the views per video, average duration time, so you can kind of really see how long people are watching your videos for, and this is average, you know, and then watch time hours. So this really helps you kind of really break it down and look at every video to see more. You can see the traffic sources as well, and you can see what's really working. Browse future channel pages, YouTube search, notifications, all of those things, shorts, feeds, hashtag pages, and screens. This is all how people are brought to your channel, and this is the result of the watch time hours, average duration. This is the browse feature. So it's showing me right here that YouTube search is really popular for me. My channel page, my actual channel page, and browse features really are the top ways that people come to my channel. YouTube search, channel pages, and browse features. Also, notifications is fourth, which is really good because that's a direct result of premieres. So views from notifications and emails sent to subscribers. So every time you premiere a video, YouTube sends notifications, or whenever you have a new video to your subscribers. So that's a really good number. External. So this is me promoting my videos by putting it on Facebook or Instagram. So that's external. So that's pretty number too. Suggested videos. So this is views from suggestions appearing alongside or after other videos. And then we have direct, unknown, YouTube features, playlist page, shorts feed, hashtag pages, and screens. So this is really telling me like where people are coming, the traffic source for my videos. I think my geography is United States, and then it goes on and on and on. So you guys should really be looking into your analytics, because this is how you're able to really optimize your channel by looking at the data and really digging into this on a not weekly basis, but I would say a monthly basis, because that's what it'll allow you to really see changes when you look at it from month to month, not from week to week. So I would highly suggest looking through your analytics on a month basis, writing down some numbers and really tracking them so you can see the improvement over time.
That was such a good video. If you found this super helpful, then we can't wait to hear back from you. Make sure you're always following our Instagram account, A&OH, and also checking out the membership. That is one of the places all of our content creators get so much from, and we have a lot of fun helping one another level up. Olivia and I are really firsthand experiencing all the things that we're teaching you, and we're getting amazing results. Really going through this journey with you. So go ahead and get in the community right now with the CCA membership. We cannot wait to see you in there and hang out with you and really help you as a content creator. Social media is the way to go, but using YouTube is the #1 platform out there. So go ahead and get on so you can be searched and people can seek out you and stop chasing down those clients. All right, well, we can't wait to see you in our next video every Sunday afternoon at 2:30 and every Wednesday night at 8:30. Well, we'll see you there. Thank you for hanging out, and we hope that you found this video super helpful, and we'll see you next time. Bye. And you know what Olivia always says, peace out.